What's up YouTube? My name's David. And today I am going to be, once again, doing exactly what you all told me to do, and that is checking out some more beatboxers. These videos are a lot of fun for me to make, and they're a lot of fun for you all as well, it seems like, because there are hundreds and thousands of comments on my beatboxing review videos of people excited about what I'm doing and enthusiastic about giving me many new beatboxers to check out. So trust me, over the past weeks I've been checking out your comments and looking up different beatboxers that you are recommending to me, and I have found so many talented new artists and made a few new friends as well, so I will be giving some well-deserved shoutouts in this video. However, there are a couple of people that have shown up in my comment sections more than others. These two guys are definitely two of the inward bass gods in the beatboxing community. I probably should also be including Audible in this video because he is also a beast, but I already put him in a video and this video would get way too long and I want some new people. Yeah, shout out to Audible, he's a total bro. Thanks, man. Appreciate the love. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing Inertia and his Smoke Bullet performance, or win, I guess I should say, because he won, and Helium, who I think is Russian. I'm really excited to check these two guys out because they're both pretty famous, from what I've heard, for their inward bass. And not to brag, but I can actually do that technique. Maybe not quite as technically well in a beatboxing setting because I'm not very good at the boots and cats part of things, but I kind of know how to do the whoa-whoops. Yeah. So this is kind of relatable for me to watch people do this inward bass technique. It's really cool actually because it's something that I didn't think anyone was doing, and then I made a video about it and it kind of blew up a little bit, and then people were like, hey, beatboxers are already doing this. I'm like, wow, all right, let's check it out. So anyways, full circle. Without any further ado, we are going to start things off with Inertia. Okay, so this first video is from Inertia's Smoke Bullet performance. I think it's a Northeastern competition of beatboxers. And actually this was recommended to me by Hershey. As I was perusing YouTube for Inertia content, I came across this gem of a video where Hershey and a bunch of her friends, including Inertia, were reacting to another set of videos, beatboxing videos. And I thought it was hilarious. It was a great video. So shout out to Hershey, she's pretty dope. Her music is awesome too, and she's really nice. So yeah. Yeah. Oh, he's.
Don't come at me, boy.
Is he inhaling the whole thing? Yeah, he definitely is. Oh my gosh. Wow. Same. This guy's so much, like, you know what I mean? I see why they call him the inward bass guy now. It's only like 30 seconds into this video. I feel like this is a setup, like he's gonna drop something right here. What? Wow, dude. This dude be bouncing. That guy. I like that guy. I'm like, like all of these people combined are me, basically. Like, that's literally me right there.
That's time.
I like the way the guy announced, "That's time." Oh, I've heard this one. Yeah, this one's pretty famous. Everyone's freaking out because it's famous, I bet. I'm so uncultured. Yeah, this guy's like, you know what's gonna happen. No disrespect, but I feel like this guy knows that he's already lost once he started this song right here. Just this, man. What is that?
Time.
I don't want to say all he does for bass is inhale, because in that video I also heard some lip rolls and things like that. But it's interesting that some people that, you know, deep into beatboxing and do it a lot use like a throat bass, like a cargo, using the false folds or something for their primary bass. But he's definitely using like an inward bass for his primary bass, which is really cool to see. It's almost like a different subgenre of beatboxing. It's just a completely different bass sound from, you know, lip rolls or throat bass or anything. So that's really cool to see. Yeah, wow. Is there like a kick or something that you can do while inhaling? Because that kick's easy. I haven't learned that from anybody, but it's like pretty easy to do. Also, I have kind of large lips, so it just comes out, you know. But there must be like some inward kick or something that I don't know about. It didn't sound like he was interrupted while he was inhaling. So yeah, leave a comment below if you know like an inward kick or something. That'd be cool to learn. Also, this dude's lungs must be huge, because it's pretty impressive to see how long he can inhale for and how well he can string that together with other things. And I'm assuming there are some quick, sharp exhales in there that he is using to push out a bunch of air to create more space in his lungs. But he does it so well that it just flows together and it sounds like a beat. So yeah, Inertia, beast. All right, so this next guy is a bit different. His style is a bit different from what I've seen. I just kind of skimmed through this video a bit. It's called 7 minutes. There were a couple of people that I saw in my last video that recommended that I watch this precise video. I did watch bits of the beginning and I saw, you know, this is a pretty good video. The third section of this video stuck out to me for a couple of reasons, but one is pretty obvious and I'm sure you're going to see it right away. So yeah, from the motherland, not my motherland. I have a different motherland. But from Russia, we have Helium. Let's check him out.
Helium.
Dude, how big is this guy's lungs? It's still going. That was like his first exhale. Holy shit. This is the part I'm not good at. Yeah, this dude's spitting. I mean, he's actually spitting, but that's not what I meant. What, he's just gonna is just gonna keep going like he didn't just, you know, recite a new language? Jeez, dude. I need some chapsticks. Ooh, he's doing some sort of bass thing. You can hear it, like a. Ooh. Same. That guy at the end is me. Dang, dude. Wow. Whoa. Wow. Okay. That was my best attempt at that. Dang. So that was intense. Let's just start off with what he started with. The inward bass was crazy. It just had so much texture, and they EQ'd this really well. And they're using a great mic for the situation that they're in, which sounds like some sort of cafeteria in the middle of Moscow. It sounded like this really fluid, beautiful sounding bass, like some sort of, I don't know, octavist leopard from the sub-Saharan Africa or something. I can kind of come close to replicating that, I think, but that was really beautiful. And the use of overtones to kind of amplify some upper structure in that sounded really cool. Also, he must be doing some sort of inward kick too that I don't know about, because there was no break whatsoever between his kick and his snare and his inward bass, which was insane. I mean, that just sounded like some sort of track that I made on Logic. But wait, there's more. But then he comes out with this, I don't know what thing that he's doing with where he's flipping between the registers and whatever. You know, I think I have an idea. I saw this tutorial video from this guy named Shogo, and I think what Helium is doing is the same technique where he's flipping between like a falsetto and a mixed voice, except what he's also doing is a mouth trumpet sort of thing, which some of you called a synth. He's got 3 variants going on, which gives this really crazy sound. It doesn't sound real at all. It sounds amazing. Helium. I don't know how to pronounce that. Wow. So what did we learn today? Inward bass is a dangerous weapon, and it should not be taken lightly. Very cool to see these two guys. They're both at the top of their game, and I definitely have some more homework to do now. For those of you that are new to my channel, don't forget to follow me on Instagram and subscribe and hit the bell. That way you get to see my videos right away. Also, again, leave some comments for what you want to see me do next. Do you want to see me maybe interview some of these people? Do you want to see me get a lesson from one of these professional beatboxers that I've reviewed? Do you want to see me teach them how to do some singing technique things, some subharmonic stuff? What do you want to see? Be creative. Or maybe you want to see me react to more beatboxers. Either way, I don't care. I'll do all these videos. Let me know. Thank you all again for the support and all the love and messages and everything. I really appreciate it. It means the world to me, and it just motivates me to make more videos like this. So, thank you again, and until next time.